Hi dear students, this class I am going to discuss about the extension for the linear differential equation, that is Bernoulli's equation. An equation is in the form of dy by dx plus p into y is equals to q into y to the power of n. An equation is of the form dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q into y to the power of n, where p comma q are constants or functions in x alone, but n value is not equal to 0, n value is not equals to 1. Sir, what happens? N is equal to 0. If n is equal to 0, what happens? Dy by dx plus p into y is equals to q. It is a linear differential equation of the first type. But if n is equals to 1, what happens? If n is equals to 1, what happens? Observe here. Dy by dx plus py is equals to py is equals to qy. Now I can write this one as dy by dx is equals to q minus p into y, which we can solve by variable separable method, q minus p into dx. Right? So an equation is of the form dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q into y to the power of n, where n not equal to 0 and not equals to 1. P comma q are constants or functions in x alone is called the Bernoulli's equation. If we are finding the solution of the Bernoulli's equation, what we are going to do is entire equation we will divide with y power n. Here divided with y power n, here also divided with y power n is equal to q we got. Now take this one is equal to z. If you take this one is equal to z, the entire equation convert into in the form of dz by dx plus a into z is equal to some r, where a comma r constants are functions in x alone. So this is a linear differential equation. You know how to solve the linear differential equations which we discussed in the last class. So few applications I am going to discuss in this Bernoulli's equation. So let's participate in the discussion. This is the first question. The first question is given as dy by dx minus y into tan x is equals to minus y square into secant x. That is the given question. Now what I am doing is entire equation we are dividing with minus y square. Now divide with minus y square, minus 1 by y square into dy by dx, right, plus 1 tan x into 1 by y is equals to secant x. That is the information we got. Here we divided with minus y square, here also we divided with minus y square, that's why 1 by y. Here also we divided with minus y square, so we got secant x. Now we have to take the substitution as 1 by y is equals to z. Then 1 by minus 1 by y square into dy by dx is equals to dz by dx. Now the equation changes as, this equation changes as dz by dx plus tan x into z is equals to secant x. Now it is a linear differential equation. You know how to solve the linear differential equation. Just I am discussing this question. The remaining questions I will leave up to this step. Once the equation converted into linear, I'll leave. So now you know how to find out the integrating factor for the linear differential equation. E power integral tan x, that is equals to e to the power of log of secant x, tan x integration. Now that we can write it as secant x. That is the integrating factor we got. Then the general solution is y into integrating factor is equals to integration of q, that is secant x into secant x dx. Now we can write further as y into integrating factor is equals to secant square x integration, you know, tan x plus c. So that is the way of solving the Bernoulli's equation by taking this substitution. Sorry, here we can't write y. What we have to write? Z is there. That's why we have to write z into secant x. Now in place of z, what we have to write? Z is equals to 1 by y. So that is the way to proceed these particular questions. Now another question you can see here, 3 times dy by dx, 3 times dy by dx plus 2y divided by x plus 1 is equals to x cube divided by y square. Now multiply with y square, it becomes 3y square into dy by dx plus 2 divided by x plus 1 into y cube is equals to x cube. Now we can write this one as y cube is equals to z, right? Y cube is equals to z, therefore we can write 3y square into dy by dx is equals to dz divided by dx. Now this equation changes as dz by dx s plus 2 divided by x plus 1 into, in place of y cube we have to write z is equal to x cube. Now it is a linear differential equation. We can find out the integrating factor. Integrating factor is equal to e power 2 by x plus 1, that is equals to e power 2 into log of x plus 1, that we can write it as e to the power of log of x plus 1 whole square. So we got the integrating factor as x plus 1 whole square, that is the integrating factor. Now how to write the general solution? The general solution is z into integrating factor is equals to integration of q. What is a q? Q is equal to x cube into x plus 1 whole square dx. I hope so you can proceed this integration. Nothing but x cube into x square plus 2x plus 1 dx. Now x cube multiply inside and you can integrate. That is the way to proceed this particular question. So we have another question here, dy by dx plus y into cot x is equals to y square into sin square x, right? Now divide with y square. If you divide with y square, what happens? 1 by y square into dy by dx plus cot x into 1 by y is equals to sin square x. Yes. Now this further can be written as minus 1 by y square into dy by dx plus minus cot x into 1 by y is equals to minus sin square x. Throughout the equation multiplied with the minus. Now we can say 1 by y is equals to z. Therefore minus 1 by y square into dy by dx is equals to, you will get dz by dx. Now the equation changes as this, we can write it as dz by dx plus, in place of 1 by y, what we have to write? Minus cot x into z is equals to minus sin square x. Now it is a linear differential equation which we can find out the solution by integrating factor method. 1 plus x square into dy by dx plus x into y is equal to x cube into y cube. That is the next question. Come on, try. Divide the entire equation with y cube. Sir, I will divide with x cube. If you are dividing with x cube, what happens? You are taking 1 by x square is equal to t dx by dy required. But here we have dy by dx. That's why divide with 1 by y cube. Then what happened? This one 1 by y cube into dy by dx plus x divided by 1 plus x square into 1 by y square is equals to x cube divided by 1 plus x square. I hope so everyone followed. The entire equation first of all divided with 1 plus x square, next divided with y cube. 1 by y cube into dy by dx. Here y divided with y cube, that's why 1 by y square. Now again what I am doing is minus 2 by y cube into dy by dx plus minus 2x divided by 1 plus x square into 1 by y square is equals to x cube divided by 1 plus x square. Now we have to take the substitution as 1 by y square is equals to z. 1 by y square differentiation minus 2 by y cube into dy by dx is equals to dz by dx. Now because of this substitution the question changes as dz by dx plus minus 2x divided by 1 plus x square into z is equals to x cube divided by 1 plus x square. Now it is a linear differential equation. We can find out by using the integrating factor method. Next another question is given like this: tan y into dy by dx plus tan x is equals to cos cube x into cos y, right? That is the information. It is not exactly the Bernoulli's equation type, that model. We divide with the equation with cos y. If you are dividing with the cos y, what happens? This one secant y into tan y into dy by dx plus tan x into secant y is equals to cos cube x. Now what to do? We have to take the substitution as secant y is equals to z, or a secant y differentiation secant y into tan y into dy by dx is equals to dz by dx, right? Now the question changes as dz by dx plus tan x into z is equals to cos cube x. Now it is a linear differential equation. That linear differential equation solution we can find out. Just check, you will get the integrating factor here, secant x, multiply this one, you will get cos square x, integration of cos square x, we can do it. So that is the way to proceed. Okay, right. Next question is dy by dx plus 1 by x into is equals to e to the power of y divided by x square, right? Now divide with e power y. If you divide with e power y, what happens? E power minus y into dy by dx plus 1 by x into e to the power of minus y is equals to 1 by x square. Again we can write it as minus e to the power of minus y into dy by dx plus minus 1 by x into e to the power of minus y is equals to minus 1 by x square. I hope so everyone followed. Multiplied with minus. Now take the substitution as e power minus y is equals to z. Now e power minus y into minus dy by dx is equals to dz by dx. Then the problem converted into a linear differential equation. We can write this one as dz by dx plus minus 1 by x into z is equals to minus 1 by x square, which is a linear differential equation you can solve. So one more question: 2 times y into cos of y square into dy by dx minus 2 by x plus 1 into sin of y square is equals to x plus 1 whole cube. So that is the given equation. Now can anyone got an idea how to proceed? Check. What is the differentiation of sin x? Sin x differentiation is cos x, inner function differentiation y square differentiation is 2y into dy by dx. That's why we have to take the substitution as sin of y square is equals to z here. That we will get cos of y square into y square differentiation 2y into dy by dx is equals to dz by dx. Now the question changes as dz by dx plus minus 2 divided by x plus 1 into z is equals to x plus 1 whole cube. Now we got a linear differential equation which we can solve. So another question we are doing, this is the question given in this way: dy by dx plus y by x into log y is equals to y by x square into log y whole square. Divide the entire equation with y into log y whole square. Tell me what happens. entire equation we are dividing with y into log y whole square. Then it becomes 1 by y into log y whole square into dy by dx plus 1 by x into 1 by log y. I hope so everyone followed, because we are dividing with y into log y whole square. So we got 1 by log y is equals to 1 by x square, right? Now multiply with minus 1 by y into log y whole square into dy by dx plus minus 1 by x into 1 by log y is equals to minus 1 by x square. Now we can take the substitution as 1 by log y is equals to z. Tell me what is 1 by x differentiation? Minus 1 by x square, that means minus 1 by log y whole square into log y differentiation is 1 by y into dy by dx. That is the reason I multiplied with minus. Then what it becomes? dz by dx plus minus 1 by x into z is equals to minus 1 by x square, which is a linear differential equation we can solve. The last question I am discussing of this model, pay attention, this is the last question. The question is given in this way: x cube into y cube minus xy into dx is equals to dy, right? So x cube into y cube minus xy into dx is equals to dy. Now I can write this one as x cube into y cube minus xy is equals to dy by dx, right? So we can write this one as dy by dx plus x into y is equals to x cube into y cube. Now divide with y cube. So if you are dividing with y cube, what happens? 1 by y cube into dy by dx plus x into 1 by y square is equals to x cube. We divided with y cube. Now we can take the substitution, multiply minus 1 by, not minus, minus 2 by y cube, because 1 by y square differentiation is minus 2 by y cube, minus 2 by y cube into dy by dx plus x into 1 by y square minus x into, because we are multiplying with minus x cube. Throughout the equation we multiplied with minus. Now you can take the substitution as 1 by y square is equal to z. So minus 2 by y cube into dy by dx is equals to dz by dx. Now the equation converted into dz by dx plus minus x into z is equal to minus x cube. Now it is a linear differential equation. We can solve that linear differential equation, right? So these are the applications on extensions to the linear differential equations, which we are calling it as Bernoulli's equation. Next class we are going to discuss about exact form of the linear differential equations. Okay, bye bye.